Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify a Rumble account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Rumble. So once you open this website, you simply need to log in into your account and click on profile picture on the top right. And here you need to click on account options. And from here you need to click on account verification, and here you can see that my account is verified. So the first step you simply need to, here you can see that add phone numbers, so you simply need to select your country code, and after that you need to enter your phone number without country code here, and you can receive message on your mobile phone, or you want to receive a call on your landline. So I selected mobile and I receive a code, and after that I put that, and here you can see that my account is verified. So this is the process by which you can verify Rumble account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.